Alright, I'm really sorry, you guys, that it keeps cutting this into multiple videos. I gotta keep remembering to tap my screen so that my phone doesn't lock. Okay, Michael on the outside. I can tell that he is a police officer. I'm gonna use something called bullet points. I want you to try this too. A bullet point is just like a little dot that you make. It's not huge. And then you write what you're gonna say after your little dot so that I can keep them nice and neat and separate. So at my first bullet point, I'm going to write police officer. Okay. Next, by looking at him, well, I can tell that he's happy. Look at his smile. He looks happy. All right, happy. Okay. I'm just going to write one more thing. What else I can tell about just by looking at him? I can tell that he's a grown-up. He does not look like a kid. He looks like he's all grown up. Grown up. Okay? If you think of anything else, there's lots more room. You can add whatever else you see about Michael. Okay? Now let's talk about Michael on the inside. Now we've got to think back to the story. We cannot just rely on what we see on the outside to tell us about Michael on the inside. We've got to think about what Michael does, what Michael says. Okay, so take a minute and think about, what does Michael do in the story? What does he say? And what does that mean about him? What is his personality like? Okay, if you've had time to think. Well, I know that in this story, Michael gives the ducks food. So I know that he cares about animals. Cares about animals. Okay? He's caring. He cares about animals. He gives those ducks food. That's very kind of him. Okay? What else could I say about him? I could also say that he is kind because he helps the ducks to cross the road. Remember that? He helps the ducks cross the road. All right. Is there anything else I could say about Michael? I want you to think of the third thing for Michael, okay? Think of another word you could use to describe Michael. So think about the story, think about what he does and what he says, and how you could describe Michael. I want you to come up with one more on your own. Okay? Pause the video and finish that up, and then you can close your book. The next thing we're going to talk about is the word wade. Wade. To wade means to slowly walk through water. So I see the cows. They're wading in the water. They're slowly walking through the water. Okay? This says, name 3 animals that wade in the water. 3 animals that wade in the water? Well, ducks wade in the water, right? What other animals would walk slowly through water? Ducks. Looks like cows could wade in water. I've seen turtles walk a little bit in the water. I guess they kind of swim too. But if it's really shallow water, you could say turtles wade in the water. You can think of any other animals that wade in the water. You don't have to cut this out and write it down. I just want you to think about it and know that to wade means to slowly walk through the water. Okie doke, you guys. That's it for Tuesday. I feel like that was quick. Thanks for listening. I'll see you back here later.